Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that raindrops falling down. That plant with the big leaf, that's a agwalt up here. It's an ornamental plant in a lumber. Okay? And then this big tree here is a fig. Look at those roots. Then back to the river. Back to the river. And then again. This is how beautiful nature is. Look at that. Listen to the sound. This is why I like outdoors. So even by doing work, you can still have fun. Not many people get to see this beauty. You got the stream coming down. There, the rocks, water, raindrops, and lovely tree. What's more perfect than this? Wow. But no, I can't see any frogs. That's strange. I hear the, what you call it, the introduced frog. That's Eleutherodactylus johnstonei. That's not native. That's the only one that is calling when the rain is falling. But I don't see anything. And these rocks are very, very slippery. So you just have to be careful. But look at it. Jamaica, the land of wood and water.